Decay Elements palette. I'm so excited. It released yesterday, and I love this palette. My baby's in the background if you hear her. So I'm going to take this beautiful gold, and I'm going to put it on the inner lids. You can really use your finger if you want. You don't have to be very clean at first. And I'm going to use this beautiful purple. It goes on so easy, as you guys can see. This is... I know, it looks amazing. I love it. The purple is so vibrant. I know, it's amazing. Do you hear her? It's actually that good. So this is basically where I'm just going to start buffing it out, blending it out, and I'm just going to buff it upwards and a little bit outwards. And then this is where we're going to fill in with this matte pink. It's such a pretty pink, and this is where we are going to put the two purples together, and this is going to also help the purple transition into the first like camel shade that we use, and it's just going to help everything blend but still look really vibrant. Then I'm going to take this beautiful teal color. Don't poke yourself in the eyeball like I did, because my eyes have been red all day because of it. And I'm going to basically just pack that onto my lower line with this really sharp brush, and I'm going to bring it all the way out underneath that purple. And then I'm going to use a little Sigma blender. See, I poked myself in the eye, I suck. So, and I'm just going to basically buff it and blend it all out so that we look nice and everything just smoked out and just super pigmented. Then I'm going to take that opaly shades, but it has like pops of purple in it, and I love it. And then I'm going to use some Troublemaker mascara. I love this mascara for the lower lash line because I have like no lashes, and this really helps me out here. Then I'm going to take Overdrive by Urban Decay liner and just help everything flow together, and this is my final look. I hope you guys love it. I love this palette. You have to get your hands on it, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.